Last month, Apple gave us some new and improved AirPods. Now it's Beats' turn. The company, which Apple bought back in 2014, just revealed the Powerbeats Pro, its first truly wireless earbuds. Just because Apple owns both brands, though, that doesn't mean these two devices look anything alike. Beats' new $250 earbuds bear the same over-the-ear hook design as the Powerbeats 3, which came out back in 2016. If that hook has a sporty feel to it, that's very much by design. These earbuds were meant for working out, and so it's really important that they stay put. Beats also says these are 23% smaller and 17% lighter than the Powerbeats 3, which hopefully makes them more comfortable. And, they wouldn't be proper workout headphones if they weren't also sweat and water resistant, which they supposedly are. Inside, the headphones use the same H1 chip as the new AirPods, allowing you to summon Siri by just saying, "Hey Siri." No button presses required. You'll also notice that both earbuds have touch controls, allowing you to change the volume or skip a track from either side. Also, some clever optical sensors inside allow the earbuds to automatically pause when you remove them from your ears, or resume playing when you put them back in. Battery life is also improved, up to 9 hours supposedly. Beats' fast fuel feature is also here, which means you can get a 4.5-hour charge in just 15 minutes, or 1.5 hours after just 5 minutes. And as you'd expect, Beats says that music and call quality are improved too. Makes sense, these are headphones after all. The Powerbeats Pro doesn't go on sale until May, which means it's a little too early for Engadget to have a review up on the site. But don't worry, we are on it. We'll see you next week with More Engadget Today.